I am going to invent an app, or Google, if it is so sort, an app that shows you where the fuck you parked. This thing has like 40 lanes, and I've been here for about 10 minutes and I can't find my fucking car. And I can't just beep 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 because it's the Monte Carlo, so it doesn't have a beep beep. It doesn't have an alarm. I thought I parked on 11. Problem is, every day it's in a different one. I know I parked next to a red car. I wanna go home. Alright, the struggle continues, I guess. Oh, that bitch left the light on. That dumb fuck. Okay, but I'm pretty sure it's on the right side. I mean, look at this. It's like left and right and back. It's bigger than my old job. Could that be? Could that be? And it's so short. If I was driving like the Trailblazer. Damn it. I just saw that. It's so short, so I can't see it. I suck. Could that be it? No. I'm on level 8 now. I've literally gone from 15 to 7. I have to find it. Problem is that the next bus is coming over, so the lady's gonna be like, oh, that bitch can't find the car. Which is exactly what it is. Alright, bye.